Oi everybody, Juliana here. Today is the last episode of Choux Pastry in our classic French recipe series, and it's all about Paris Brest. Paris Brest is a dessert you will find in any French pastry shop, and you couldn't pick a more beautiful, tasty, and classic French dessert. We will be following the same middle recipe I've shown you in our previous Choux Pastry episodes, along with a delicious filling of hazelnut mousseline, Gianduia, and the perfect craquelin on top. And for sure, I will show you how to make it not just delicious but beautiful as well, as all French pastries are. So, let's make some Paris Brest. So, for the Paris Brest choux, we will be using the same dough we used for our eclairs and cream puffs, and the craquelin dough which we made in the last episode, cream puffs or choux au craquelin. I'll give you the link and time for both recipes in the description below. Once you have your dough ready, we needed to make some round shapes on a parchment paper covered tray, using a cookie cutter. Turn it over and pipe it using a French start tip on the other side, so you don't get pen marks on the dough. Make circles, and if you want, using your fingers with some water, slightly press to seal it. For the craquelin dough, which needs to be very cold, I like to put in the freezer before shaping. We will need 2 cookie cutters, 7 cm like before, and 3.5 cm. Once the Paris Brest has a wheel shape, the circle shape represents a bicycle wheel created in 1910 to commemorate a cycling event race from Paris to Brest. Cut the 7 cm pieces and cut the 3.5 in the middle. Save the leftover dough to re-roll again. Place them all on top of the choux dough and bake them at 350 Fahrenheit for 40 to 50 minutes, or until it's nice and golden brown. Never open the dough before 30 minutes or your choux pastry will deflate. Now it's time for you to drop a like if you're enjoying this video, and make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're new here for more amazing delicious recipes. For our mousseline filling, bloom in cold water 1.5 sheets of gelatin. For the mousseline, we needed to make a pastry cream, but for this one we will add some gelatin. So, like before, just bring 310 grams of milk almost to a boil. Mix 3 egg yolks with 60 grams of sugar and 30 grams of cornstarch until very smooth. Temper the eggs mixture with a little bit of hot milk, whisking quickly just until it warms and mix together. Bring it back to medium to low heat and cook until thick and creamy. When it's still hot, add the gelatin. Mix until the gelatin is dissolved and well combined. Add 150 grams of hazelnut paste or praline Strain and cover with plastic wrap and chill in the fridge. After cooling completely, bring it to the mixer and using the whisk mix over medium speed. And then gradually add 140 grams of cubed cold butter. Mix until it gets very creamy and smooth. Add the mousseline to a piping bag with the same tip you used for piping the choux pastry. Roast some hazelnuts, about 50 grams, just until you get a light brown color. Break them using a wooden spoon just until you get halves and some smaller pieces, not too small. For the gianduia again, like with the creamy puffs, melt 120 grams of milk chocolate with 40 grams of hazelnut paste. Also add it into a piping bag. Slice the choux in the middle using a bread knife and pipe the gianduia onto the bottom pieces, just a nice thick layer. Then, using the same French star tip, pipe the mousseline over the gianduia, making twisted movements. Add some hazelnuts and add the top. Add the hazelnuts also on the sides. Sprinkle some icing sugar to give it that beautiful French charm. Paris Brest is one of my favorites. You get both soft and crispy bites from the dough and a very smooth creamy texture from the mousseline. The mix of cream and gianduia is such a great combination, and the toasted hazelnuts on top take it to the next level. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to drop a like here. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe here. On Bake Cook Travel, we always bring the best food adventures and food recipes. If you'd like to see more food recipes, click here, and for more food adventures, click here. See you in the next video.